How to download a video on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to download a video on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram. Go to the search icon and for example, I like this video. All I need to do is click on those 3 points and click on copy link. Now, go back and go to Google. Now all you need to do is click Instagram Reels download and choose the first option. Now here click in past Reels link and click on download. This is the video. Click on download. Wait a minute. And this is the video on my gallery. This is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.